okay, it's childish. Gambino, hold your drop it like the NASDAQ. Move white girls like this coke up my ass cracks. Move black girls, cause man, fuck it, I'll do either. I love pussy, I love bitches.
Hello everybody, my name is Muhammad Fikri Hasan Rahbang and welcome back to Channel Network. So in this video, we're gonna learn about dynamic routing. But first, we need to know what a dynamic routing is. So, dynamic routing is a networking technique where routers automatically learn network paths, exchange routing information, and adapt to network changes in real time. It eliminates manual configuration by using algorithms to continuously determine the most efficient routes for data packets to travel from source to destination. There are three types of dynamic routing. The first one is AGRP, that stands for Enhanced Interior Gateway Routing Protocol. It is a Cisco developed routing protocol used by routers and layer 3 switches to dynamically share routing tables and determine the best path to send data packets within a single network. Next up, there are OSPF or Open Shortest Path First. Is a dynamic routing protocol used in large IP networks to determine the best path for sending data packets. It operates as a link state protocol, meaning each router builds a complete map of the entire network topology and calculates the fastest routes mathematically. And the last one, there's BGP or Border Gateway Protocol. Is the postal system of the internet. It is the routing protocol that directs data or traffic across the global web by picking the most efficient paths between thousands of independent networks. Without it, the internet, as we know, it couldn't function. So there is a little add up in this PowerPoint is about the wildcard. The wildcard usually used on the OSPF. So what is wildcard? Wildcard mask is a 32-bit string of numbers used by routers and firewalls to specify which parts of an IP address matter and which parts can be ignored. It acts as a customizable filter to group multiple IP addresses together under a single rule. Just as we could see, if we have the subnet mask and we convert it into a wildcard mask, it becomes this. Okay, so now I'll be doing the example using Cisco Packet Tracer. Okay, so as we can see, I have the example of the AGRP, OSPF, and the BGP. So now I'm just gonna configure it right away, just like putting two of these router on and just connect it to the PC. Of course, giving this router some IP. Okay, now I'm gonna configure it right away. So we go to this router, go to the config, right, like this, and type up root agrp. So the number that are gonna be used for the agrp is called autonomous system number. It could be used from 1 up to 65,000. Okay, so I'm gonna use 1, and then we type up network, use the IP, only the IP. We didn't need to use the subnet mask of this. And then there is 1. So as we could see, there's a notification gigabit Ethernet 0/0 is up with the type new adjacency. It means that these two routers have been linked up. Okay, so I'm just gonna continue. Okay, so everything has been up, so I'm gonna try to give some message from this to this. It's successful, and from this PC to the PC. At first it may be failed, but if we try it again, it will be successful. Okay, so next up, I'm gonna configure the OSPF out by just putting them on first and giving them IP address. Then I'm gonna configure the root OSPF. Okay, so I've been giving these all their IPs, so now I'm gonna configure it. First, just like before, we need to go to the config and type root OSPF. So the number that we use on OSPF it's called process ID that could be used from 1 up to 65,002. So now I'm gonna use 1. Okay. And then what we use is the wildcard. So I could say that we use the network but combine it with the wildcard. We didn't use the subnet mask on this. So we type in 0.0.0.3 and we use some area too. So there are some area on this OSPF. So the area 0 is the backbone, or what we could say the main area of the router OSPF. If we didn't use the area 0, that means we couldn't connect to another network. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna continue. Root OSPF 1 network 11.11.11 0 0.0.0.3 area 0 network 12.12.12.0 0.0.3 area 02 and then this one network 120.8. Okay, so as you can see, from loading to full loading down, that means it has been loaded, or we could say it's been connected to this router. So let me continue it. 120.120.0 0.0.0.255 area 1. Then lastly, from this router, .11.11.0 wait, I forgot root OSPF 1. Area 0, and lastly 100.100.100.0.0.0.255 area area 1. Okay, so now it's all been settled. But first, if you confuse why I'm just configure the router and not the PC, because I've been configured the PC the moment before I record this video. So as we could see here, all of the PC already have the IP, so I don't need to configure it again. So now let me try. Okay, progress, failed. We try it again until it's successful. Then from this to this, failed again and successful. And lastly, from here to here, it's already successful. Okay, so lastly, I'll be configure the BGP. Okay. Point 169 point 10.1 so 55.0 11.11.11.1 so 55.255.255.252. Okay, let's see. It's already good. And asleep from here. Hey. Sorry, a bit typo on it. Wait a bit, okay? Okay. One seven zero 16.150. Okay, so now I'll be configuring this one now. So first, I'm gonna go to this router. Still the same. Go to the config and type in root BGP. So the number that we use on the BGP is the same as we use on the AGRP, the autonomous system number, and it's all the same. The maximum is all the same. So now I'm gonna use the 24 because, as we could see, I have 24, and type in neighbor main this router 11.11.11.2 remote S25. Okay, then next up, network 11.11.11.1 with the mask 255.255.255.252 and network 191.169.10.1 with the mask 255.255.255.0. And lastly, we'll go to this router and set it just like that, but do it in the opposite way. Route BGP 25 because, as we could see, IS 25, and then neighbor 11.11.11.1 remote S24. So, as we could see, BGP had changed neighbor 11.11.1 up. It's mean that it's been connected from this router to this router. Okay, and then network 11.11.11.2 with the mask 255.255.255.252 and network 172.172.16.1 with the mask 255.255.255.0. Enter it, and now we'll try to message this PC. We go from this to here, in progress, failed. We try again until it's successful. We do the same from this PC, and it's all successful. Okay, so that's it for today's video. Hope you'll enjoy and see you on the next video. Bye.